9:30. Thank you for being here for our casual opening night. We're so excited.
Y'all need to give it up to that taco team in the corner for making some delicious fucking tacos. Thank you, y'all.
Come see us tomorrow. Pull up on us, baby.
I have to get historical for a second. No, but seriously, so I'm really pleased to be here. Yes, thank you again to the taco team. This is a really unprecedented event, y'all, and there are some incredible human beings here. I really hope you'll come tomorrow to listen to all of the reasons why we do this thing, because they are unique, they are different. Many of us are representing cultures that have not historically been represented in cookbooks. Yeah. My first cookbook, I'm from Puerto Rico, and my first cookbook was rejected 4 times. 4 times. And largely, I'm paraphrasing, it was because Puerto Rican food wasn't that interesting. It wasn't gonna sell, right? And I'm here today in a different space, and that's because of folks showing up. So thank you for being here. Thank you so much.